Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can contact the support team. So let's get straight into it. So for that one, we will need to go to the web page. So let's go. Where it is, not this one. Sorry. So let's take this one here. All right. So this one is the official web page, updf.com. Now what you need to do is simply just scroll all the way down and you will see here some pricing, product, solution, about, and support. So right here under the support you will find contact us. Alright, so here you have for the support and help two options. So if you are searching for some solution and if you don't find it, you have here help center. This will help you with some user guides if you have this problem here. You also can select here for Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, and so on. Now, if you are really want customer support, then you have here in the middle this button send an email, and here is the email where you need to send your question or suggestion for UPDF. And yeah, um, the third option is UPDF Copilot. So if you have basically here the Pro version hot, so you will see if you have a subscription, you will have access to it, and yeah, it will help you a lot with everything you need help for. And yeah, this is pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next